Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my new channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to make paper balisong knife or butterfly knife, as you guys could call it. Some of you, like I said, are familiar with butterfly knife, so yeah. But the whole point of this video of me is showing you guys a tutorial. Anyway, as you guys can see, these are the blueprints or template that you guys are going to be using, and yeah, basically this is it right here. So anyway, link in the description box below, where you could guys find the blueprint that I uploaded. Yeah, so make sure to print it out and make yourself a hardened paper. Actually, won't you guys make hardened paper first, then then print the blueprint out? And yeah, so anyway, let's begin.